Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Emelie, and in this video I will be creating two cards using the paper cut characters from Trinity. And there is a lot of add-ons that you can buy separately if you like. You can see here I cut a bunch of pieces from the different sets, and now I will have a play. And this was a lot of fun. I just played around with all of the different accessories and just build my characters. So this is my recommendation. If you are getting these sets, just cut them a bunch of times and you will have plenty to go, and you can just play around with your cardstock here. You could also cut them out of plain white cardstock and then color them in only with your markers. So you have a lot of options with these characters. I created, as I said, a bunch of different variations of these. I used a combination of liquid glue and foam squares just to get a variety of dimension and depth in my people here. And you can see my girl is coming together. Then I started with another one. I created sort of a boy here using some from the Boyish Charm add-on set. You can see he has like a shirt here that I will tuck on him. I didn't use all of the accessories for him. I just mixed and matched what I thought looked good. And he will get some arms here. I used two different ones. You can see here, when I think I have a good position, I will just attach it with some liquid glue. Same to the other side. So here we go. We have a bunch of different people. We have this cute girl. We have another party outfit. We have this lady and a boy with a package. And then we have sort of a girl going to the beach. So I had a ton of fun, and depending on how tall you want them to be, you can sort of mix and match that if you like. And then I had some specialty cardstock in my stash. I believe this is from Simon's Stamp. And I cut it I cut the disco ball mini slimline, as well as the sentiment that is from the new Simply Sentimental Celebrate. And I also cut some shoes and a bag to match. And I just thought this was super pretty to have. And you can see how cute this turns out. In the end, I don't know if I will go with this one or if I went with the blue one, but you will see that I mixed and matched. And for creating my card base, I'm using a bone folder from Trinity and my scoring board, and I measure my cover there, the disco ball mini slimline die, how tall that is or how wide that is, and then I create my slimline card so I have the perfect white border around it. So here we go. You can also see I cut myself there if you're wondering what's on my finger, and I took it away. So you can see here I am mixing my boy and the girl there, and then I'm having the sentiment pretty much cover up their legs, so I don't have any funny white or funny space there. And I will do the same thing, like some small foam dots just to give it some dimension from the other characters. And you can see here how cute that turned out. So then I am trying to find that perfect spot, and I'm putting also some foam adhesive behind the package so that it looks like he is holding it and that they are on its way for a celebration. And then I took some pattern paper for my next card from Trinity, and I will have the girl on one of the sides, and then I will stamp my large sentiment to the white space on my card base, if that makes sense. I will also have a coordinating sentiment that says it's time to celebrate, and then I will have U to the side there. So we have the large U. I will stamp that in black. I'm using some Memento, And yeah, I'm just pressing that down, making sure I have a good impression. I love using my mister for this. I have my pattern papers ready. I'm attaching that. I will color in with a coordinating marker for the same like blue shade that I used. I'm using my Olo markers for this. And you can see it's very, very light. I just wanted some interest to the panel. And then it's done. And yeah, you can see how I am doing this, just going over the whole image. Perfect. And then I'm attaching my girl here with some double-sided foam tape and the Celebrate to the side. And I will use some liquid glue for that. Just tucking that underneath, just like that. And then I will finish these cards or these projects off with some embellishment. I'm using these beautiful hearts from Trinity. And you can see it's time to celebrate you, and we have the other one, Celebrate. So yeah, that was my 2 projects with the paper cut characters. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and I will be back soon with some more content. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!